Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are reading the book Why Not Me? A Feeling of Millions by Anubhav Agarwal. I already uploaded the 14th chapter of this book. This is the first part of the 15th chapter. So let's start. Chains. The emotion that I had been feeling were intense. I wanted answers. I wanted to know why Zoya had never accepted me. What was so wrong with just friendship? I could not stop thinking about it. So I decided to send Zoya a text. I had no hope that I would get the answers to my questions, but at least I could get them off my chest. I don't know if you are even reading my message or not, or if you have blocked me, but I am still texting you because I want to let it out. I have hidden all this in my heart for way too long and I cannot contain it anymore. I need answers. What was wrong with me in my love for you? The friendship that I wanted from you. Was it all too much to ask for? Did I not care enough for you? Did I not give you enough importance? Why didn't you accept me? Moreover, 2 years have passed by. Zoya, 2 years. Did you not think of me even once? I have texted you almost every day over the last 2 years and you haven't replied even once. You have not answered my calls. Do you not miss me? Don't you care? You have been selfish, Zoya, and not just in the past 2 years, but from the start. All you have ever been is selfish. I typed everything I felt and sent it. I could not stop thinking about Zoya, so I texted Pamni and talked to her for a while because I knew that I would never get a reply to the message that I had sent. I was having dinner when my phone beeped. New text message from Zoya Khan. My world stopped. My heart skipped a beat. I could not find the courage to read the message. I didn't know what she would think of me after she read the message that I had sent her. I was happy and sad both at the same time. If just that notification made me so happy, I could only imagine what would happen when I saw her smile once again. Tears started flowing down my cheeks. I tried to control them, but I could not. I consoled myself. I said to myself that this was the day I had been waiting for the last 2 years. I had waited long enough. It was the time to finally enjoy the fruits of my patience. Hello, how are you? Read Zoya's message. That's it? That's all she has to say after 2 years of ignoring me? I was angry and frustrated and happy and sad. I had no idea what I was feeling. I decided to send her a normal text. I am okay. How are you? Where have you been? I am okay. Doing well. Studying. That's it. How could she sound so normal? I could not control my emotions anymore. I wasn't okay until now, but I guess I am now. I have waited for so long to see your name flash on my screen. I have been waiting for you. Where have you been for last 2 years? Do you have any idea how much I have suffered? As soon as I sent that message, I felt a pain that I could not explain. Maybe that was the pain you experience after a massive rock has been lifted from your heart. I started crying as I have never cried before. I let out all the tears that I had kept bottled up for 2 years. And the worst part was, no one was with me to console me or wipe away my tears. Why were you waiting? Did I ask you to wait? Why could not you move on? Don't you know how to move on? Why do you want to be stuck in the same place all your life? Zoya replied angrily. This was the first time I realized that I had my heart in the wrong place. I had fallen in love with the wrong person, a person who had never cared about me. I had stopped crying, but the pain in my chest had increased fourfold, as if someone had hit me with a hammer. The words she said, the way she said them, hurt me more than the waiting had. I decided not to reply to her message. Just before I went to sleep, I received one more message from Zoya. So this is the first part of the chapter 15th. I will upload the next chapter soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like, then let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.